Welcome to the Freebie Kids of Texas channel. Today we are gonna make a pecan pie.
I thought it was pecan.
No, we're in Texas, it's pecan.
I don't like pecan and pecan. Yeah. Get a bottle of KARO Syrup. The recipe is on the back. You need 1 cup of KARO Syrup. We need 3 eggs.
We need 1 cup of sugar.
Add 2 tablespoons melted butter. You need 1 teaspoon vanilla. Can I smell? Smells delicious.
Smells like pie already.
We need 1.5 cups of pecans. Pour in an unbaked, deep-dished pie shell.
Bake it 350 degrees for about 8 hours.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.